Welcome guys. Welcome to Contractors Bimmer.
Yeah, when you see me, you better run. Play duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run.
And for some weird reason, the video is not uploading, bro. Why? What the hell, man? What the hell is wrong with YouTube, bro? Alright, guys, everything is set. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you are wondering where I am right now, then do not worry, guys. I am in this fuel station right now. It's 4:30 in the morning, and check out this beast, man. I know it's making hell lot of noise and I'm disturbing this fuel station, guys, but if you are wondering where I am going right now, then I am going to Vijayawada, which is around 350 kilometers away from here, and it's gonna take around 6 to 7 hours, the Google says. Alright, guys, so shit, I just scraped my underbody. So the reason for going to Vijayawada is I'm gonna service my car. It's not a BMW service center, it's a premium service center shop. The reason why I chose Vijayawada over Hyderabad is because I called few mechanics in Hyderabad. Nobody responded me properly, but I called mechanics in Vijayawada. They responded me quite well. They spoke to me, they understood everything. That is the reason I am going there. Also, this car, also the previous owner used to service this car in mechanics. The sticker is still there. That is one of the reason I am taking this car over there. Anyways, I'll go there and put a separate video of the whole servicing thing. And by the way, guys, check this fog out, man. It's disturbing me like anything. What's up, guys? It's 5:40 in the morning and we are almost near the ghat. We have done about 40-50 kilometers so far. We just had a tea, and check this out, guys. The view from here, it feels like the tsunami is coming, guys. The sun is obviously rising from there, and on the right side it's completely fogged up with clouds. Oh hell, bro, this looks amazing. Check this out, guys. Check out the lights of the car, man. I am seriously in love with the lights of this car. Alright, we gotta be careful. People are jogging over here. By the way, I actually live in Rayalaseema, and right now I am going to Prakasham district. There are so many army guys from Prakasham district, man. Like, at least one army guy will be there from one house. Kudos to these guys working for our nation. It's freaking dark in here, man. Have you guys watched that movie Bhimla Nayak, the Pawan Kalyan movie, which has released recently? If you guys are from Andhra, then you will definitely be knowing it. Damn, bro. Intro of the movie is like next level, man. The first ever song, first 5 minutes, Rana will be going in Endeavor, the driver will be driving the car, right? I exactly feel like I am in that scene, bro. I am opening the sunroof, bro. You guys have no clue how good the smell is, man. Wish I could make you guys smell. Pure smell of trees. And it's rainy season. We started ascending officially. Turn number 1. By the way, guys, do you see these pillars over here? Few more over there. Britishers were about to construct, but for some reason they did not do that, and we Indians found another way through the mountain. pulling handbrake as hard as I could and kept the car in P mode, but still it's rolling back. Check this out, guys. Check this out. What the hell, bro? And this is like proper cake and clouds looks like cream on that. Damn, guys, check out the train, man. I need to take story ASAP. And by the way, guys, check this out. This is very, very unfortunate. Oh man, that's a freaking small baby frog. And my man Arif is going to remove the frog with a stone. Bumper mein ghus gaya. Arey baap. Damn, guys. I thought this is a freaking X5 or X3 BMW, but unfortunately that's a Espresso S-Cross. Oh shit, guys. Oh shit, guys, look what's coming. That's a Guntur Kachiguda. What is that? Passenger train. Like half an hour ago a goods train went, now the passenger train is coming. Even the locals are chilling over here. Even I am a local. It's getting very late now. I think I'll just sit inside and continue the video. Enough with the view. But still I'm gonna keep the high beams on, man. I am freaking scared. I don't trust these drivers over here. Oh, that was a damn close call, bro. Okay, we are supposed to reach Vijayawada by 10 in the morning because the service center opens at 9 something. And I wanted to be the first customer over there, but unfortunately we wasted a lot of time over here. And also starting time was 3 in the morning, but we started at 4:30 for some reason. All right, from here we'll be descending. Damn, guys, check out this view, bro. This was a little surprise. Check where the back part of this lorry is and check where, you know, the tires are. It can literally do a wheelie. And guys, this lorry is from Chandigarh. Look at the number plate. Don't know what it is carrying. Must be, you know, bikes or cars or something. Oh, he's thanks to the driver from Chandigarh, bro. And we have another lorry in front of us. Yes, there you go. The most beautiful turn. I think even this bridge is constructed by the Britishers to put a railway track on it. We are coming in this ghat since, you know, we were 10th. I was bringing my Passion Pro bike, my dad's bike, and then we used to come over here. 30 rupees petrol, 2 liters. That was more than enough to cover this cart, because we will, you know, go completely up and then turn off the bike. It will descend automatically for 4-5 kilometers. वो टर्निंग में शिफ्ट मारा तो गांड. So the ghat is over officially. We have done almost 100 kilometers so far, and the roads are next level over here, man. Till Markapur the roads are going to be next level. Check this out, guys. I am literally cornering at, I don't know what speed. I'm not even looking at the speedometer, but I don't even feel like I am cornering, man. What the hell? I just cornered at 140. I'm not flooring the car and all. I'm just maintaining speeds. You know, flooring the car on the highway is a foolishness. But honestly, guys, this car, every time I drive this, I cannot stop bragging about this. It's so freaking stable, and the tagline, tagline, no? The tagline, "She driving pleasure," that is seriously true, man. Oh, check out this flyover, bro. This flyover feels like it's a one-way flyover, but it's not, guys. It's a two-way flyover. Oh, this looks very, very dangerous, man. Check out this plain road, guys. It's been 5 hours almost and we are awake. I am extremely hungry, man. I generally skip breakfast. I directly wake up in the afternoon and eat lunch, but today I am extremely hungry because I woke up at 3, obviously. We are currently looking for a nice tea shop or a breakfast stop, but I don't see any hotels over here. We are in between of nowhere, man. Like plain lands everywhere. Mountains are very far. Alright, guys, we are sitting here and having tea. We just had our tea. I just throwed my glass, not here, I obviously threw it in the dustbin. I'm not an asshole like others. So as usual, my dialogue, had a tea glass in my hand, and having tea looking at your car after driving for so long is a next level feel, bro. We are somewhere near, you know, Guntur. Guntur is still around 100 kilometers away from here, and it's gonna take around 1 hour maximum to reach Guntur, and from there Vijayawada is another 1 hour. Whenever I stop my car, I cannot stop myself from looking at it, and also I cannot stop myself from showing you guys. But if you are ever going via this highway, Guntur Markapur road, then do not ever forget to stop over here, man. Highly recommended. Not because the tea is good, not because the food is good, but because the ambience, man. You never get to find a place like this. Let's get going, man. Welcome guys. Welcome to Contractors Bimmer. And check out that lorry guy, man. He was looking at me like I am some, you know, reporter or something like that. Road padenadu, and very bad place. The lorry guy should not have stopped over there.